Vertical automatic pressure filter. Jiangsu New Hongda Group Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of vertical automatic pressure filter. Our vertical automatic pressure filter is a self-developed product on the basis of 4-in-1. The product refers to the advantages of foreign equipment and has been improved and optimized in accordance with customer requests for foreign equipment. At present, the product has been applied for 5 patents and 1 of them have been awarded patent right, won the second prize of Taizhou Scientific and Technological Progress, is seeking Jiangsu High-Tech Products and Jiangsu Science and Technology Progress Award. Vertical automatic pressure filter has a large scope of work for non-ferrous, metallurgy, chemical, pharmacy, mineral tailings handling, coal preparation, food, ceramics, paper, sugar, dyes, wastewater treatment, and other industries. Materials can be filtered, washed, and dehydrated so that solid and liquid in the suspension can be separated. At present, 84 meters square vertical automatic pressure filter has been successfully applying in Sichuan Lushan Shangzhou Mining Company Limited, Guizhou Tranheng Chemical Industry Company Limited, China Aluminum Stock Company Limited, Shandong Branch, and Sichuan Doyang Sunheng New Style Building Materials Company Limited, and other large chemical companies. The water content of filter cake has reached and exceeded present value. The process indices have reached the requirements of similar foreign products in compliance with the requirements of design process. Our company has had the ability to replace the imported product on a large scale. Framework of vertical automatic pressure filter. Vertical automatic pressure filter mainly consists of base, upright columns, guide cylinders, plate pack, suspension plates, moving processing plate, frame, tensioning unit, cloth wash unit, cake chute, shield, hydraulic system, hydraulic cylinders, high pressure water station, electrical automatic control cabinet, and so on. Plate pack is installed in a fixed space among upright columns above the base. The hydraulic cylinders drive moving pressing plate which draws suspension plates. The suspension plates draw plate pack up and down along the guide cylinders in vertical movement to complete the opening and closing operations. Filter cloth does continuous S-shaped unilateral movement among the plate pack. Hydraulic system, automatic control system, and high-pressure water station automatically complete the process of filtration, pressure, drying, cake discharge according to the set procedures. Work principle of vertical automatic pressure filter. The operation pressure filter includes the following 6 stages: feed, diaphragm squeeze, cake washing, the second squeeze, air dry, discharge. Where cake washing and the second squeeze is optional, they can be omitted when material don't need to wash. Feed stage. After plate pack is closed, in accordance with the set procedure, material enters into the material chambers through the feeding pipeline and hoses. The filtrate penetrates the filter cloth into the filtrate chambers and then drains from filtrate outlet pipes, while filter cake begins to form on the filter cloth which is in the material chambers. After feeding, the system washes the feeding pipeline and hoses for cleanness. Diaphragm squeeze. After pipe cleaning, in accordance with the set procedure, high-pressure water through high-pressure pipeline and high-pressure hoses enters into the top of the diaphragm. The diaphragm squeezes down the cake. The remaining water in the filter chambers is squeezed through the filter cake and filter cloth into the filtrate chambers. And finally, the first squeezed filter cake is formed in the material chambers. Cake washing. After diaphragm squeeze, in accordance with the set procedure, washing water through the wash valves from feed hoses into the material chambers. Water fills with filter chambers while diaphragm is lifted up. High-pressure water above the diaphragm is squeezed out from the plate pack. After cleaning the filter cake, washing water through the filter cake and filter cloth drains from filtrate pipe. The second squeeze. After washing, in accordance with the set procedure, washing water which remains in the filter chamber coming from the washing stage is squeezed through the filter cake and filter cloth into the filtrate chambers. Squeeze process is the same as the first time. Air dry. After the second squeeze, in accordance with set procedure, compressed air does final drying of the cake. Air through the feed hoses fills the filter chambers while diaphragm is lifted up so that remaining high-pressure water above the diaphragm is squeezed out from the pack. During this time, air through the air drive valve from feed hoses enters into the distribution pipes to minimize moisture of filter cake and drain filtrate out of the filtrate chambers. Discharge. When the drying process is complete, in accordance with the set procedures, plate pack is opened. After complete opening plate pack, cloth main and auxiliary drive motors are started. Filter cloth begins to walk. At the same time, opening the cloth washing valve and starting cloth washing pump. Washing water washes filter cloth on both sides. The filter cake on the filter cloth is unloaded from the both ends of pressure filter into the cake chute. After discharge, cloth runs faster, consequently reducing the washing time. While the cloth washing, the system makes a cycle inspection and adjustment for filter cloth's running length, joint position, offset stage, etc., and then proceeds to the next stage. Characteristic of vertical automatic pressure filter. Large production capacity, high degree of automation, 6 procedures that are filtration, squeeze, washing, the second squeeze, air dry, discharge, adopt automatic control, continuous work to improve production capacity. Low water content in filter cake due to 16 bar maximum squeezing pressure and then air dried by the compressed air. Very low water content is available, or even the traditional drying process can be cancelled for saving a lot of energy. Good washing effect. Cloth places horizontally so that the thickness of the cake is even. Filter cloth can be washed both sides by turns, having capabilities of self-cleaning and regeneration. Compact framework. Due to 4 upright cylinders framework, the product has a small occupancy area. When reformed, the workroom may not invest or invest very little. The product has functions of self-diagnosis and automatic alarm. Jiangsu New Hongda Group Company Limited equips a small-scale pressure filtration testing machine, whether you are in laboratory tests or in the pilot stage or in industrial production. You provide concentration, grain size, viscosity, pH value, temperature of material needs to filter and the necessary requirements of water content, yield, etc., and send the material to our company. We will make the pressure filtration test by our professionals. If you are inconvenienced to deliver, we can deliver the test machine to your site and send professionals to do the pressure filtration test. After test, we will provide you with a detailed pressure filtration test report and selection report for your convenience to further selection and investment budget. Jiangsu New Hongda Group Company Limited makes a large number of investigation, research, and comparative analysis focusing on various industries and various working conditions. Well-designed, vertical automatic pressure filter to adapt to various working conditions and have an all-around one-stop service from test, pilot, simulative trial produce, on-site commissioning, debugging, delivery to after-sales service. We will provide a first-class equipment for you, which is tailor-made for your conditions, the most economical investment, the most efficiency. New Hongda Vertical Automatic Pressure Filter is your best choice.